The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall skilla! Alright viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall skilla. Yes, I'm there here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, when I thought that I have heard and seen it all, something popped up that had me thinking. You see it? Now, I read a news article about an employee of a hospital that is located somewhere within the country that is known as Italy, had been accused of skipping work for 15 years with pay. See? A man had been accused of skipping work for 15 years with pay. Right? So, just the headline of that news article had me thinking. I started to say to myself, say, how that happen? See? How that happen? See me? Because I have experiences in the work field out there, you know. See me? And if I miss one work day, see? If I miss one work day, either my boss or secretary or whosoever responsible for me working at that workplace is going to know. Saying? And that is just one work day. Saying? If me miss a week, I probably lose my work. But this man missed his job for 15 years. Okay, no, let me reiterate that and say that over. The man skipped his job for 15 years. With pay. See? Anyways. Hold on, let me explain certain things now. So it said that it is said that the man had been assigned to a job in 2005, and it is said that at that point the man stopped turning up for work. See? And it is said that the man had been accused of threatening a manager to stop her from filing a disciplinary report against him. And it is said that that manager later retired. It is said that the man is being investigated by the police within that country that is known as Italy for fraud, extortion, and abuse of office. See? And it is said that 6 managers are being investigated as well. See me? It is said that the man altogether collected over 500,000 euros throughout the whole 15 years. Viewers and subscribers, I'm wondering how something like that really happened. See me? Who write up the hours that the man said to have worked? Right? Who write the paycheck? Or who is the accountant? So I say, who is the boss? Who is his employer? All them things that I start to think, viewers and subscribers, you see me? Whether I'm right or I'm wrong, I just think those things because I just can't come to the understanding how a man skip work for 15 years with pay and nobody no realize that. 15 years? 15 years. Think about it, viewers and subscribers. See? Anyways, you know, big up and respect to each and everyone. I'm just letting you know about this whole thing where it is said that a man had been accused of skipping work for 15 years with pay. You see me? And it is said that the police within that country, that is within Italy, are investigating the whole matter. You understand? So let me know what you think about that, viewers and subscribers. And big up and respect to each and everyone. And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall skilla. You know, big up on yourself. You see?